Hi, this is Will from Picup Media, and today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to set up your GemLightbox. Now, GemLightbox is a plug-and-play solution, which literally means you plug in the power, press the power button, and we're ready to go. GemLightbox comes with a beautiful table for you to shoot your jewelry. Simply, you get the table leg, place it into the middle of the box, followed by the table itself. Simply put the table in, which is secured through the magnetic system inside. Now, let's get our jewelry. To use a smartphone stand, we simply lift up the smartphone stand and adjust it to the angle that we wish to use it at. Next, we put on the reflector. The reflector can be used both vertically and horizontally. The preferred option is to use it vertically. Next, let's get our smartphone turned to camera mode and let's get going. Now, all we need to do is zoom into the product, tap on the product to focus, and brighten up or down as required. I'd say that looks about right. Now, capture. As you can see, just like that, we've been able to capture a beautiful studio quality image with nothing more than just the smartphone. Next, I'm going to show you how to shoot a necklace. So reflector comes off. We're going to be taking the photography table out. The necklace stand goes in. Again, it is secured by the magnetic system inside of GemLightbox. Reflector goes on. Smartphone back to camera mode. Zoom in as required, tap to focus, brighten up until you get a complete white background and capture. And just like that, we've been able to capture a beautiful necklace on a complete white background. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.